Okay. Good morning, students. In a previous class, we discussed numericals from dual nature of radiation and matter. So they got up to 11.11 questions completed. Now today we will start 11.12, 12th problem from dual nature of radiation and matter. 12th problem we'll discuss. Now we will display on the screen. Note down the question. 11.12. Calculate. First one A. Momentum. And B. De Broglie wavelength of electrons. De Broglie wavelength of electrons accelerated through a potential difference of 56 volt. Potential difference of 56 volt. Now check the question. Electron is accelerated through a potential difference of 56 volt given, and the first question they asked to calculate the momentum, and the second question they asked to calculate a de Broglie wavelength. These two should calculate. Now first one A, linear momentum of photoelectron. So general formula momentum, earlier we have one formula kinetic energy Ke is equal to P square by 2m. So kinetic energy and the momentum relation we have. If take a 2m left side, P square is equal to 2m into Ke, or P is equal to square root of 2m into Ke we can write. But kinetic energy of the photoelectron, we have the formula square root of 2m into QV, charge into potential difference. Now we'll use this formula for this problem. So momentum P is equal to square root of 2m into QV. So already we know the charge of electron Q or E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. And we also know the mass of electron M is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. It is a mass of electron and the charge of electron. Now substitute the values in this formula. Momentum P is equal to square root of 2 into mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31, and the charge of electron 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 into V, they are given a 56 volt. In place of the V, should write 56 into 56. Therefore, momentum P is equal to under root minus 31 minus 19 minus 50. If you add these two values, powers will be 10 to the power of minus 50. And now multiply these values. 2 into 9.1 into 1.6 into 56. 1630.772. Now take a root of this value. 10 to the power of minus 50 become 10 to the power of minus 25. Root 10 power minus 50. 40.38 into 10 to the power of minus 25. It is a momentum, or we may adjust one digit. 4.038. We may round off this value to 4.04 into 10 to the power of minus 24 kg meter per second. It is a first question answer. Momentum of photoelectron 4.04 into 10 to the power of minus 24 kg meter per second. In this they asked second question, what is the de Broglie wavelength? B. What is the de Broglie wavelength of photoelectron? So we know formula lambda is equal to H by P. So where lambda is equal to de Broglie wavelength, H Planck's constant, and P momentum we already calculated here. I'll substitute here. H is equal to 6.625, or we write 6.62 also okay. into 10 to the power of minus 34 divided by momentum. We calculated here 4.04. 4.04 into 10 to the power of minus 24. No. 6.625 by 4.04. We'll get 1.639 into 10 to the power of minus 34 plus 24 minus 10 meter, or 10 to the power of minus 10 meters equal 1 angstrom. We can also write 1.639 can be rounded off 1.64 angstrom unit. It is a de Broglie wavelength of the photoelectron, and it is the momentum of the electron. These are the two answers. In a PU level, we have to show each and every step on the paper. That's important. 5 marks problems will be asked. So you should write the data, formula, substitution, calculation, and the last result with the SI unit. Should write. Next, 11.13. So read. How much given? 0.164 nanometer. So here, if you write angstrom unit, 1.64 angstrom correct. If you write a meter, 1.639 or 1.64 into 10 power minus 10 meter correct. If you write same value, 0.639, 0.1639 into 10 power minus 9 nanometer also correct. So any answer may write, but in the exam, it is important. SI system you should write answer. So we can write the same value, or lambda is equal to 0.164 nanometer also write. So all correct on nanometer or angstrom or meter, anyone will write in exam. So 11.13, 13th problem. Note down the problem. So what is A? The momentum. B, speed, and C, third one, de Broglie wavelength of an electron, de Broglie wavelength of an electron with the kinetic energy of 120 electron volt. 120 electron volt. Okay. Now check the question. So here de Broglie wavelength of electron we should calculate. Speed of electron we should calculate. Momentum of electron we should calculate. But data, kinetic energy of the electron given, 120 electron volt given, we need to convert the value into joule. So we know already 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Then convert the value 120 into 1 electron volt, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joule. 190 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joule. It is the value of kinetic energy of electron in joule. Now, first question, what is the momentum of electron they asked? Momentum P is equal to formula square root of 2m into Ke. Momentum formula, we know already Ke is equal to P square by 2m, or P is equal to square root of 2m into Ke. Now substitute the values. P is equal to square root of 2 into here electron given. So we know mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. I'll write 2 into 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into kinetic energy 192 into 10 to the power of minus 19. That is equal to 3494.4 into 10 to the power of minus 50. That is equal to 10 power minus 50. If you take from the root outside, 10 power minus 25. 59.11 into 10 to the power of minus 25, or may write a 5.9 into 10 to the power of minus 24. So check the answer. 5.9 into 10 to the power minus 24 kg meter per second. Okay. So we can round up this value also. 5.9, 59.11 given. We can round it up to 5.9 approximately, no problem. Into 10 to the power minus 24 kg meter per second. It is the first one answer. Second one, what is the speed asked? We know momentum is equal to formula mass into velocity. We know momentum and we know the mass, then we can find the speed also. Second, B. So you should write from the formula momentum of the electron P is equal to mass of electron into velocity of electron. We should calculate. Therefore, V is equal to P by M. Here momentum already they given. We calculated 5.9 into 10 to the power of minus 24 divided by mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31. 0.648 into 10 to the power of 7 minus 31 we take to numerator plus 31. 31 minus 24 equals 7, or adjust one digit. 6.48 into 10 to the power of 6 meter per second, or if you want to round up the value, we should write 6.5 into 10 power 6.5 into 10 power 6 meter per second. V is equal to 6.5 into 10 to the power of 6 meter per second. On rounding of the value, we'll get this one. It is the magnitude of the velocity, which is also called the speed of the electron, photoelectron. So third one they asked, what is the de Broglie wavelength? So de Broglie wavelength of electron. So we know formula lambda is equal to h by p. So h value 6.625 or 6.62 into 10 power minus 34 divided by, here momentum already we know 5.9 into 10 power minus 24. 5.9 into 10 to the power of minus 24. 1.12 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. Or we can write 1.12 angstrom. 1.12 angstrom or 0.12 nanometer also write. That is called 1.12 angstrom unit. That is a de Broglie wavelength of electron. Total 3 answers. First one momentum, second speed of electron, and the third one de Broglie wavelength of electron. Now I'll go for next problem.